Hello and welcome to MargBooks. Today, we learn how to create a receipt entry in MargBooks. With MargBooks' single entry system, creating a receipt entry is quick and easy. Click on Accounting Transaction from the left side menu. Next, click on the Receipt option. As soon as you click on Receipt, the Receipt Voucher list screen will appear. Press the F2 key or click the Create button. The receipt entry window will open. First, select cash or bank, depending on the mode in which you have received the payment. Press the space bar to choose the required mode. Next, select the customer. Enter the receipt date, then enter the amount and press Enter. If the selected party's balancing method is bill by bill, the adjustment window will open after entering the amount. Here, adjust the payment against the appropriate outstanding bill. If the party's balancing method is on account, the adjustment window will not appear, and the receipt can be saved directly. MargBooks also allows you to create multiple receipt entries at the same time. Once all the entries have been completed, click Save. After saving, all the receipt entries will appear as separate vouchers in the Receipt Voucher list. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more useful MargBooks tutorials.